लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, Srimahans, Mahants, Tanedars, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, participants, all of you with my love and respects. People who are sitting through Sadhana TV, Nityananda TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you. Cities sitting with us, having Nayana Diksha. Ohio, Prayag, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Scottsdale, Arizona, Washington, D.C., Sripuram, Los Angeles, Hollywood, San Jose, Madurai, Amersfoort, Netherlands, Warrington, UK, Seattle, Chidambaram, North Carolina, Ohio, Ma Shivananda, Hong Kong, Sirgari, Oklahoma, Somanatham, St. Louis, Tirumala, Kuala Lumpur, Parani, Nityanandeshwara Temple, Pondicherry, Singapore, Singapuram, High Point, North Carolina, Vancouver, Canada, Grasse, France, Jorpati, Nepal, Enriching Temple, Bidadi, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Sugarland, Texas, Kulim, Tirutani, Morris Plains, New Jersey, Houston, Kalahasti, Hebal, Bangalore, Nityananda University, Los Angeles, Nityananda University, Paris, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today I wanted to expand on how the Samskara Dahana Kriya helps you for perpetual completion. I am seeing many reports from all over the world in so many centers, temples, ashrams. The Samskara Dahana Kriya is happening every day. Lot of people are participating. First thing I wanted to remind all of you, before the Samskara Dahana Kriya starts, everyone should take the oath with integrity that they will not misuse or abuse the information they receive during the Samskara Dahana Kriya. That oath everyone should take. Second, the whole completion, all the steps should be followed, including sharing with 5 lives and listening to 5 lives. Third, 48 days it should be done continuously, or 1 or 2 days if you miss, make it like in one day itself 2 sessions, morning and evening. I tell you, Samskara Dahana Kriya will remove the natural accumulated vengeance. Please understand, just like naturally, because of what you eat, one part becomes the unnecessary thing which need to be pushed out of the body. Same way, because of your day-to-day functioning and life, in your mind one part gets accumulated which need to be sent out. Just like the biology, psychology has its own as such. Psychology has its own excreta which it needs to send it out. Samskara Dahana Kriya is like an enema for psychological excreta which need to leave your system. Understand? Whatever physically need to leave your system, if you give enema, it will leave. Samskara Dahana Kriya will make all the psychological unwanted things to leave your system. 48 days of Samskara Dahana Kriya will literally make you live in perpetual completion. Enlightenment cannot be made more simple than this. I tell you guys, more than this, enlightenment cannot be made simple. More than this, living life cannot be made simple. Not only enlightened life, even life needs samskara dahana kriya. With accumulated vengeance, don't think somebody else is going to suffer. Accumulated vengeance convinces you that vengeance is required for you to exist. That vengeance only is giving you the right ideas and right time to defend you and protect you and save yourself. That is the way it exists. It continues to have power over you. Understand? Samskara Dahana Kriya teaches you life. More than this, life cannot be made simple. Life cannot be made easy. So whoever wants to live, please do Samskara Dahana Kriya. Whoever wants to live, please do Samskara Dahana Kriya. Every day, Samskara Dahana Kriya, 48 days, will heal you so much. It will heal you so much. I tell you, your whole brain will feel new, not just your mind, even brain. Your whole inner space will feel new. It's the most easiest process. Easier than any other tapas. I can say one Samskara Dahana Kriya is equivalent to at least 100 days of Panchatapas. One Samskara Dahana Kriya is equivalent to 100 days of Panchatapas. See, when you do it first 10 days only, all the incidents you remember with pain will come up. After that, the deeper pain patterns which you hold on, the deeper self-denial patterns, self-hatred patterns, they will start coming out. Only when those deeper patterns like a self-hatred, self-denial, all that comes out, you will wake up to life. Till then, please understand, life is not to be lived just to justify your existence. Most of us exist just to justify. That is why in justification we do PhD. I have many PhDs in justification. And they are so intelligent how to justify themselves. In justifying themselves, they are 1,000 times more intelligent than me. So, in that even I fall when I hear their justifications, understand, but the existing just to justify you, and in the level of justifying you itself is such cheap way of existing. Don't do that. Don't do that. Existing to justify yourself is the poorest or minimal existence. Why do you need to justify yourself? Because of the constant self-hatred and self-doubt you carry. When you do samskara dahana kriya continuously every day, all those patterns will start coming up after 10 days. All those patterns will start getting completed after 10 days. By 30th day, the most subtlest patterns which stops your enlightenment, they will start coming out. They will be usually the self-denial or self-blackmailing. You will know very clearly when you write your patterns itself. The person who is frightening and getting frightened, both are you. It is just your own extension which is frightening you. It is you who is getting frightened. Just few days before, one of my sannyasini came and said, she had so much suffocation about this Indian dress. I smiled and said, I have no problem, you wear what you want to wear. But complete with this pattern as early as possible, because that pattern is nothing but you suffocating you. When you do samskara dahana kriya, you will understand the deeper most patterns of you suffocating you. If I were to declare some ritual as the official ritual of our Nityananda Sangha, I will declare samskara dahana kriya as the official ritual of our Nityananda Sangha. Means the moment child is born, mother should do this kriya for 11 days at least. The moment mother is pregnant, throughout the pregnancy, 9 months she should do this ritual. The moment child is put in the school, the child should do that kriya for at least 11 days. The moment child attains puberty, the child should do at least 21 days this kriya. Whenever you are depressed, you should sit and do this kriya. If you are getting married, before the marriage, at least 42 days, both the persons who are going to get married, both of you should do this kriya. Before you are planning to conceive, you should do this kriya at least 21 days. Before your death, you should do at least 42 days. If you are doing this kriya from the time you are born, again and again, you will know when are you going to die, and you will fix the date, and you will simply plan and do the kriya and leave the body. Now I am making this as the smriti, the code of conduct for Nityananda Sangha. Every day in all our temples, all our ashrams, all our centers, in the Rudra Homa Agni, the fire of Rudra Homa, the people samskara dahana kriya samskaras should be offered. All the people who are practicing the samskara dahana kriya in Bidadi, if you are doing it late night, next day those karmas, those samskaras should be offered into Rudrahomagni. All our temples, ashrams should do this every day sincerely. I really expect all our temples also should start doing Rudrahoma. All our temples also should start doing Rudrahoma. Please understand. All our temples also should start doing Rudrahoma. Every temple should start doing. It is possible. Every day people should come to temple and do samskara dahana kriya, tear those karmas, patterns, and put it in a corner where you should keep as a box for all the offerings to be put in the havan, homa. Let the people put that papers, their karmas, and go. You take it and offer it into the fire, Rudrahoma fire. Places like Bidadi, the fire should be all the time kept so that whenever people want, they can come and sit and do samskara dahana kriya and offer the sheet, offer their karmas and patterns in the fire, Agni, and go. And you can also do samskara dahana kriya with deities. You can first share with Ganesha, then go and share with Venkateshwara, then share with Lakshmi, then share with Mahadeva, then share with Devi, then finally share with Subramanya, and ultimately with Guru. Offer the samskaras into the patterns, into the Agni, the Rudrahomagni, and go. This should become the official ritual. This should become official ritual of the Sangha all over the world. We should be known as the temple removing samskaras and patterns. We should be known as a temple removing all the bad samskaras and pain patterns. Constant, perpetual completion happens only by samskara dahana kriya. Only by samskara dahana kriya. Please understand. Please listen. Only when you do the samskara dahana kriya for 20-30 days, you will even understand you are nothing but collection of your patterns and samskaras. See, that knowledge is the basic knowledge, basic requirement for you to decide to do completion. Otherwise, as on now, you will be strongly associating yourself with those patterns. You will not give up on them. You will not give up those patterns. Even if you give up one pattern, you will feel that you have done a great sacrifice and you are growing spiritually. You have 100 stupid patterns and you are having pride just because you dropped one pattern. These pain patterns should be dropped completely. Whether you are not able to get up in the morning, that is one pain pattern. If you sit for a long time in Padmasana and having knee pain, that is pain pattern. Feeling bored, that is one more pattern. Feeling tired, one more pattern. Feeling frustrated, one more pattern. Not feeling enthusiastic, one more pattern. Not feeling excited about life, one more pattern. Trying to constantly justify your existence, one more pattern. You will even understand all this is a pattern only when you do Samskara Dahana Kriya for at least 30-40 days. All the ashrams, all the temples, all over the world should have this Nitya Agni, eternal Agni, where people come and do Samskara Dahana Kriya and drop their samskaras and go. When they drop their samskara paper, they should tear that paper to that extent that nobody should be able to read what they wrote. They should tear it completely and drop in the fire and go. And the priest should burn that whole thing when he does Rudra Homa in the evening. Every day the Rudra Homa should be done, burning our patterns. Burning our patterns and samskaras. Understand, even devotion can happen to you only if you remove all the pain from your heart, from your being. See, if the food goes inside you and never comes out, it can lead to constipation and all the sicknesses. Same way, all your pain patterns, if they don't come out, it will lead to frustration and just desperation, not liking anything, doesn't want anything. It becomes the tantrum throwing child inside you. Just want to demolish everything, break everything and run away somewhere. Where will you go after going there? From there you will run. Running from place to place due to desperation cannot be called as Parivrajaka Yatra. Understand? Many fellows running from one place to another place because of desperation think they are doing Parivrajaka Yatra. No. Parivrajaka Yatra happens. Parivrajaka Yatra happens only when you move out of joy. I tell you, I was moving like a banyan leaf in the breeze. When a leaf falls from the tree, in the breeze how it moves. That's the way I moved in my life. That is why my Parivrajaka, even to remember, is a joy for me. But in desperation, if you travel, even if you remember, it will be a pain pattern for you. Understand, even to know what is pain in you and what is not pain in you, you have to do Samskara Dahana Kriya. 48 days if you do Samskara Dahana Kriya, it is equivalent to one inner awakening. I tell you, wherever you are, if you just learn Samskara Dahana Kriya and do it 48 days, it is equivalent to you attending one inner awakening. Now you have a method, free inner awakening. Technology, freely you can have the benefit of inner awakening. Anybody has a pattern, oh, how can I pay for inner awakening? Do at least this. 48 days do Samskara Dahana Kriya in your own Sangha, wherever you are. I wanted all the Mahans, Kotaris to facilitate more and more people doing Samskara Dahana Kriya in your cities, in your ashrams, in your temples, in your centers, in your houses. Till you are enlightened, even you should do. And you should go on be insisting, encouraging. People should do this Samskara Dahana Kriya. Because this is the time you will get to look into the depths of your being. See, till you realize the self-doubted and the doubter is one and the same. Self-hater and hated is one and the same. Self-denied and person who is denying are one and the same. Self-blackmailed, who is blackmailed, and blackmailer, one and the same. You should do Samskara Dahana Kriya. When you know both are one and the same, the complete completion will happen in you. Complete completion will happen in you. The perpetual completion, I tell you, unless you solve all the problems of your life from the space of Advaita, you won't be stable. You won't be stable in the life. So you solving all your problems from the space of Advaita is required. If you want your husband to be stable, wife to be stable, son to be stable, brother to be stable, your teamily members to be stable with you, help all of them to do Samskara Dahana Kriya. I want all of you to be stable with me. That is why I am so insisting on you all doing Samskara Dahana Kriya. Whoever you love, make them do Samskara Dahana Kriya. Because only then your love will be stable with them, their love will be stable with you. Whether birth or death, for all the Dasa Samskaras, Dasa Karmas of Hinduism, we should do Samskara Dahana Kriya. Whether it is Garbhadana, Annaprasna, Namakarana, Vivaha, any ceremony, any samskara, the person should be made to do Samskara Dahana Kriya. With every samskara in the life, you should do Samskara Dahana Kriya. All the spiritual practices, all the techniques, all the methodology ultimately leads to Advaitic experience. After analyzing all this thoroughly, as much as I can, And I'm offering you the most simplest, straightforward, powerful lifestyle. To live complete completion. People saying, I don't want to have completion. They don't even want to have completion is the worst situation people can be. Sometimes I'm seeing people saying, they are so incomplete. Even with on completion technique, they have so much incompletion about completion. They don't even want to do completion. They don't want to get out of their suffering. All they want to do is they just want to prove their point is right. Trying to prove their point is right, they are ready to destroy their whole life. Samskara Dahana Kriya will liberate you from this painful existence. If something or somebody can save you, it is only Samskara Dahana Kriya. Listen, it is only Samskara Dahana Kriya. It's only that can save you, that can save your whole life. Do Samskara Dahana Kriya. Ultimately, I give you all my blessings. Let you all be inspired, excited, and do it intensely wherever you are. The Samskara Dahana Kriya every day, at least for 48 days, and be freed from all the pain patterns, pain samskaras in your life. Let you all be liberated. Let us all be liberated. Only when you do it, you will also feel excited to enrich others. When you enrich, you will feel more excited to do it. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.